multiply 24 by 8? Well, lots of ways of doing it. Okay, one way I like to is to sort of split it up. Okay, break it down. So instead of immediately thinking I've got to do 24 by 8, let's build it up. So let's start by doing 20 times 8. Okay, let's start by working out 20 times 8. And that's easy, isn't it? Because when I multiply these, I can forget about the 0. I can ignore that, and I can just do 2 times 8. And 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, and then of course add the 0 on. Okay, the 0 that's there, add it on, so I get 160. Now that's 20 times 8, but I need 24 times 8. So think how many more 8s I need. Well, I need another 4 lots of 8, don't I? Okay, now if you think about it, all together then that will be 24 lots of 8. And 4 times 8 is easy. Okay, you tables there, you get to 32. Okay, so then think about it now. I've got 20 lots of 8, 4 lots of 8, put them together, that will give me 24 lots of 8. Okay, and it's a simple case then of adding these together, and I get my answer. Okay, so add them there, you get 2, add the 10s, you get 9, and then you've got 100 there, so 192. Next one, divide 168 by 8. Lots of different ways of doing this. Because we're dividing, you might want to use the bus stop method. So what we're dividing by goes on the outside. Okay. And then on the inside then we'll have our 168. Okay. So we're dividing by 8. Now, you ask yourself how many times, let's break this down, how many times 8 goes into 1? Well, it doesn't, so we sort of carry that 1 over here then, and we've got 16. And then how many 8s go into 16? Well, that nicely, isn't it? Goes into it twice, exactly. And then how many 8s go into 8? Well, 8 goes into 8 once, so the answer will be 21. Okay. C, the number is multiplied by 100. What is the value of the 7 in the answer? Okay, well, if I multiply by 100, that's easy, isn't it? Because when you multiply something by 10, you add a 0. When you multiply by 100, you add 2 zeros. Okay, so you get that number there. Okay, 79300. Okay, so it's quite a large number, but remember, okay, to then figure out how we'd read this, okay, you could count every 3 digits from the right and place a comma, so you know that would be read as 300, and here are our thousands. Okay, so how would you say this in terms of thousands? You'd say 79,000. Okay, we're only interested in the 7 there, so remember what we said 70, didn't we, when we read this out? So 70 in this case, and it'll be 1,000. That's what will be the value of the 7 there. With D, the number is divided by 10. Now, if you think about it, similar to when you multiply by 10 and so on, but this time when you divide by 10, you make it smaller. The digits will still be there in your answer, however, they become 10 times smaller. So instead of 2,316, 10 times smaller, it'd be 231.6. So the 2,000 suddenly becomes 200 because it becomes 10 times smaller. So what's the value of the 2? We say 200. Okay.